Welcome to the Gummy Bear Show.
Answer it, Gummy!
Hello? Wrong number. I said it was a... Wow! I've just won 2 tickets to the big dance-a-thon show tomorrow that's been sold out for weeks and is absolutely impossible to get tickets for? Thanks! This is amazing! Fabulous! Incredible! Stupendous! On second thought, correction. This is terrible.
Well, which one of us is going to be the lucky one you choose to invite?
To the big dance-a-thon show that we all
really, totally, absolutely want to go to!
Guys, I need a little time to think this whole thing over. Like around 50 years. Okay, since Harry, Kala, and Granny Peters are all such great pals of mine, and it's impossible to choose just one over the others, there's only one way for me to decide. Scientifically. Eeny, meeny, miny, mo. This is certainly unexpected, Granny Peters.
I just wanted to show you that... Despite being a kindly, sweet, helpless little old lady, shh, I still love all kinds of dance. Just like they'll be showcasing at the big dance-a-thon that I'd so set my heart on going to.
Well, I'll certainly bear that in mind when deciding. See you later, Granny Peters. Peace at last.
Yeah, it's wonderful, isn't it? Cookie?
or a trip down memory lane.
Double.
Brownie, guacamole, rhubarb souffle, pineapple upside-down cake?
Who needs food when you can feast on the warm memories of true friendship?
On the what?
I just happened to be going through my old scrapbook. So many unforgettable times shared by me and my best pal, Gummy. Great pals who've always been there for each other. Right, pal?
You both just want me to choose you for that extra ticket, don't you?
Of course not, pal.
I'm deeply hurt that you'd even think that.
Guys, all I want is a little privacy and a chance to think, so no offense, but... Ow, ow, ow! So, let's see. 4 friends and 2 tickets. I could do the math all night long, and it would never add up. Man, I just wish I could get some sleep and maybe make a wise decision in the morning.
Did you mention wanting to get some sleep? Well, at bedtime, there's nothing better than hot chocolate. Milk and honey, warm milk, chamomile tea with lemon, chamomile tea without lemon.
Why drink hot chocolate when friendship's on the menu?
I think I'm getting indigestion. You two are driving me crazy.
When it comes to sleep, there's nothing as soothing and restful as a tango. The dance of the night.
Correction. Make that, you 3 are driving me crazy. How hard is it to get this across? I need sleep to be able to rest up and decide who I'll invite to the big show in the morning. I can't believe it. After all this commotion, now I can't fall asleep.
Can't sleep?
Can't sleep?
Can't sleep?
Well, why didn't you say so?
Out!
what's wrong with my feet? Every time I'm hearing a beat, my legs start twitching and buckle my knees. My head is buzzing like a million of bees. Suddenly I get this feeling I could be dancing on the ceiling. My feet are feeling shaky, I'm climbing the walls, I'm bouncing off chairs, I'm not afraid to fall. I wanna dance, 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 I want to move, move, move. Watch me shake my booty to the groove, groove, groove. I wanna dance, 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 come and move like me. We'll have fun, 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 come and dance with me. I wanna dance.
Gummy, are you up yet? Have you decided who you're going to invite?
That's it! That's the answer I've been looking for! We'll hold our own dance-a-thon right here! Singing, dancing, having a great time, and best of all, there are 4 tickets available to it! Deal? Deal!
Oh, I'm a gummy bear. Yes, I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a yummy. Welcome to the Gummy Bear Show.
Dinner is served.
I just want to double check we've got everything ready for tomorrow. Picnic cooler,
Check!
fruit and juice,
Check and check.
sunblock, towels, umbrella, beach ball, and inflatable rubber ducky.
Check, 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 and check!
What are we doing? Going to the beach in the morning? Or planning an expedition into the uncharted jungle?
Going to the beach, silly! But Harry's got a point. It's always best to be prepared.
And if you're not going to cooperate, well, don't come complaining to me when your inflatable rubber duckies just sprung a leak and you didn't bring a Band-Aid with you.
I won't.
Fine.
Good.
Better.
Best.
Better than best.
Ha! There is no better than best.
Enough, you guys! Stop acting so childish!
He started it.
She started it.
Okay, let's not forget we've got a lovely meal to share tonight and a great day at the beach planned for tomorrow. So, enjoy! Huh? Ugh, make that yuck!
No offense, guys, but when it comes to handling flies, there's only one expert around here.
Thanks so much, Harry. It's such a treat to see a real expert in action.
Oops. Sorry.
Ugh. Anybody ever tell you you're disgusting?
Oh.
Hang on, Harry. I got him in my sights.
Ow!
I think I got him.
Maybe. But you definitely got me.
Oops. Man, I'm exhausted. Are you guys ready for bed?
You bet.
Me too. Being ready for bed. Check. Just wanted to say goodnight, Carla.
Aw. Good night, Harry.
Say goodnight to Carla. Check.
Oh, shut up! I won't let some stupid fly bother me. I won't let some stupid fly bother me. Oh, who am I kidding? That stupid fly is bothering me. Well, I'm just too darn tired to let it bother me. Just too darn tired.
Gotcha! Oh my gosh! What have I done? I can't stand
Buzz, buzz, buzz goes a fly, fly, fly. Buzz, 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 low and high, high, high. Buzz, buzz, buzz in my ear, ear, ear. Day and night, all I hear, hear, hear. Buzz, buzz, buzz when I eat, eat, eat. Buzz, buzz, buzz when I try to sleep. Buzz, buzz, buzz round my head, head, head. Buzz, buzz, buzz drives me mad, mad, mad. There's a fly in my soup, there's a fly in my face. There's a fly that is crawling up my nose. There's a fly on the window I've been trying to shoot. I've been chasing all day, but there it goes.
Gummy sure chooses weird times to practice his dancing.
Okay, you may think that you've won, and hey, I may even think that you've won, but what if we're both wrong? Company, halt! Present arms!
I really got to practice my aim. Harry sleeps. Check.
No pest strip. Guaranteed to rid you of unwanted insects from A to Z. If one strip is supposed to help, hey, I'll just play it safe by using 863 of them. You won't escape me this time, buddy boy.
I wonder what's keeping Gummy.
I think that's him coming now. What?
Well, at least we're rolling in the right direction for the beach.
Roll to the beach with pals caught up in a huge no-pest strip ball. Check.
Hey, wait for me, guys! I love the beach. Welcome to the Gummy Bear Show.
I'm a gummy bear. I'm a gummy bear. I'm a yummy, sunny, funny, tummy gummy bear. Huh? It looks like a ginormous egg. Now where did that come from? This egg's got rhythm, just like me. Harry!
No! No more broccoli ice cream! You can't make me eat it!
Bamboozly! I think it likes me. Eggs are fragile, so I've got to be super careful with it. Humpty Dumpty, this could have ended badly. Ranga, I'd like to know what's inside it. I need to give this some serious thought. Aha! Okay, it's got rhythm, just like me. And I guess it loves singing and dancing, just like me. Oh my gosh and golly, it is just like me! Wazzy wazzy patoozy! Harry! Harry, snap out of it! I've got great news!
Who? What? When? Where?
I laid an egg!
What?
I said I laid an egg!
That's what I thought you said, only I liked it better when I'd misunderstood you.
Come, look, see, quick! I'm keeping him warm. There you go. Say hi to Junior.
Oh, hello, Say what? Just for the record, Gummy, my tail doesn't like this one bit.
He's got rhythm, just like me. I mean, check this out. That's my boy. I mean, when I lay an egg, do I lay an egg or what?
But Gummy, you couldn't have laid that egg. Birds lay eggs. Are you a bird?
Well, no. But I can dance the funky chicken.
And reptiles like sea turtles lay eggs. Are you a reptile, Gummy?
I once dreamed I was a T-Rex. Pretty cool, huh?
And finally, platypuses lay eggs. Are you a platypus?
Whoa! Now that's getting a little out there, buddy.
Okay, you're not a bird, a reptile, or a platypus. So, how did you lay an egg?
Maybe the stork brought it. Nature has its ways.
You did not lay this egg. It's illogical. Do you get what I'm saying?
Absolutely.
Positively?
And double definitely. So I laid the egg, and let's take Junior to the park for some fresh air.
I give up.
I tell you, Harry, there's nothing like a little exercise and sunshine to make a perfect day even perfecter.
Actually, Gummy...
Whoa! Soccer ball! So, Junior, it's time for us to have some fun!
Let's hear the whistle blow. It's time to let it go. All for one and one for all.
Aren't eggs kind of, well, breakable?
Come on, little guy. Show us your stuff. Kick it! Focus. Always keep your eyes on the ball, Junior. You have to try harder to kick a goal. Okay, Harry, you be the goalie while Junior practices his shot. Maybe he needs a target.
Oh, my tail has a very bad feeling about this.
All set, Harry?
No!
Great! And it's Gummy over to Junior, back to Gummy, and then back to Junior, who deflects the ball straight towards the goal. Much better. You're getting the hang of it, Junior. Okay, now kick a goal, Junior. I know you can do it. Wow! Goal! You did it, Junior!
I've heard of birds flying, but eggs?
Yay! Thanks for saving Junior, Cullen.
Junior?
I laid an egg last night and it's got rhythm and he really likes me and his name is Junior.
You are silly, Gummy. That's not Junior. It's my surprise present for you. That robot dinosaur egg toy you said you wanted.
The one that can dance? That can dance? Just like me? Welcome home, Junior!
Oh, I'm a gummy
Come on,
bear.
everybody.
Yes, I'm a
I
gummy
feel like
bear.
celebrating.
Yummy, tummy, funny, lucky gummy bear. I'm a jolly bear, 'cause I'm a gummy bear. Oh, I'm a moving, grooving, jamming, singing gummy bear. Oh, yeah. Welcome to the Gummy Bear Show.
Okay, everybody, it's time to witness my latest and greatest attempt. I'm juggling 3 eggs now, but when I give you the nod, Harry, toss me the 4th one. And Carla, on my 2nd nod, you toss me the 5th. Got it?
Got it.
I've been determined to succeed at this for as long as I can remember.
Anybody feel like an omelet?
Oh, man. I'm never going to learn to juggle 5 eggs like the great Scrambledini. Maybe I should just quit juggling forever.
But Gummy, you love juggling.
Just like Kala loves kung fu, and I love brainy stuff nobody can pronounce, and building big card houses.
Don't tell me you've lost your confidence.
I guess you're right. And when you lose your confidence, you start worrying about everything way too much and forget to just have fun and enjoy it all. Either way, I'm going to bed.
But I thought we were all going over to my place to watch that magic show on TV.
I even made popcorn.
Sorry, guys, but this tired-out green bear needs to hibernate. I guess I'll never be able to juggle 5 eggs like you. Sorry I won't be continuing your noble tradition, great Scrambledini. Bad juggler. Bad juggler. With all this baaing going on, I'm never going to fall asleep.
Gummy really seemed pretty upset about that whole juggling business. I wonder if he'll be able to sleep.
You were saying?
They say there's nothing like a good night's sleep to help cure whatever's been troubling you.
I hope so. But if you want my opinion, he's got to stop worrying so much about being a great juggler and just go back to having fun doing it.
Okay, while we're waiting for the TV show to start, let me show you a magic trick, Granny Peters. Here, pick a card. Any card.
No.
Hit it.
Maybe this one. No, this one. Ooh, then again.
Any Anytime this century would be great.
Hey, our show's about to start.
Is it?
Look, I'll close my eyes, but please, Granny Peters, pick a card, any card! Did you guys hear that crash?
What crash?
That one. It sounded like it came from Gummy's place.
He's asleep. Shh.
Yeah. Shh. Oh, this juggling's made me hungry. I could use a snack. Still hungry. Time for a little baking.
I'm walking in my sleep, I'm dancing in my dreams, I'm bouncing off the floor, I'm balancing on beams. I do things while I sleep, I can't do while awake. I juggled oranges last night and now I'm baking cake. Sleep, sleep, walking, yes I'm sleep, walking. I walk around like I'm a ghost. Sleep, sleep, walking, yes I'm sleep, walking. Why I do it, no one knows.
Where's the popcorn?
Right there.
Right where?
There.
Where?
Now don't tell me you didn't hear that. It definitely came from Gummy's place.
I'm sure it's nothing.
That's one pretty loud nothing. Aha!
I could have sworn we all tied it up after dinner with Gummy.
Wow, what a weird dream. But it seems so real. I dreamt I could finally juggle 5 things. And he's mastered 5. Can he do 6? 6! Can he possibly do 7? Whoops. No confidence was my first problem. Now looks like it's a bit of overconfidence. Sooner or later, like the great Scrambledini, I'm gonna get it right! But for now, who wants first dibs to use my shower?
Welcome to the Gummy Bear Show.
One last balloon to blow up.
And we've just finished hanging streamers and wrapping the presents.
I had no idea blowing balloons could be so uplifting.
Ugh. I'll bet Granny Peters is gonna be really surprised when she drops by tomorrow morning.
Well, that's the point of a surprise party, right?
I don't know about you guys, but all this decorating has totally worn me out. I'm ready for bed.
Me too.
Me 3. I'm gonna be out like a light the second my head hits the pillow. Not good.
Okay, minor setback in the drifting blissfully off to sleep department.
But I'm sure that with a huge brain and a little good old-fashioned ingenuity,
This kitty can block out whatever silly noise is keeping me awake.
I don't hear any snoring. I don't hear any snoring. Would you please shut up with all that I don't hear any snoring stuff so I can get some sleep, which I can't do because of that irritating,
infuriating,
Exasperating! Snoring!
Granny Peters.
Hey! Keep it down with the knocking, you clown! It's the middle of the night!
Okay, if any of us wants to get a wink of sleep to be fresh for the big surprise party tomorrow, we've got to somehow stop that snoring. And fortunately, I've got a brilliant plan to do just that.
Great! Let's go for it!
Here's what we'll do. First, we get a ladder and lean it up against her open second-floor window. Then Gummy will climb up, and with this dodo bird feather I've attached to the end of a stick, he'll lightly tickle her feet and awaken gently sleeping
And snoring like a buzzsaw.
Granny Peters, easing her back to smiling consciousness, and presto, solving our problem. It couldn't be simpler. I mean, seriously, guys, with such a brilliant plan, what could possibly go wrong?
Great! Let's go for it!
Do you hear the loud noise? Are we under attack? Is it a monster or the sound of a truck? It could be a lumberjack cutting down trees, or it could be a swarm of mad killer bees. Is it outside or is it next door? It sounded to me like a lion's roar. Is it thunder I hear rumbling from afar, or is it the exhaust of a motor car? It's raining, it's pouring. Granny Peters is a snoring. She snored so loud it gave us a fright. She's been snoring hard all night. It's raining, it's pouring. Granny Peters is a snoring. She snored so loud it gave us a fright. She's been snoring hard all night.
Between you and me, I kind of like the plan better the way you first told it.
Now that you mention it. So did I. Oh.
Wait! Can't you hear it?
Hear what? I don't hear anything.
Exactly! Isn't it incredible?
I hate to say it, but you're not making a whole lot of sense, Carla.
Think, guys! You don't hear anything!
OMG! There's no more snoring!
Okay, the ladder's broken, but if only there was some way to get back up to that window to wake Granny Peters. What we need is a brilliant idea.
Well, lucky for us, I just happen to have one!
Let me go on record as saying that this breaks every known law of physics.
Then I guess there are still a few unknown ones out there, right? Nothing like an alarm clock to wake up even the deepest sleeper.
Whoa, Mama! What are we doing way up here? I'm terrified of heights!
Just my luck to wind up with the only bird in the world scared of heights.
Get me down!
After you do your cuckoo routine and wake up Granny Peters.
Cuckoo! There! Satisfied?
This isn't good. And something tells me it's getting worse.
Now that definitely defies yet another known law of physics.
Yeah, great, isn't it? Woohoo!
Gummy, are you okay?
Yes, Gummy, are you?
Well, apart from feeling a little, deflated, I'm great. And it's double great to see you finally awake, Granny Peters. Come on! Since it's practically morning now, there's something Harry, Collar, and I want to show you.
I've had a bit of a cold. I hope I wasn't snoring.
What? Snoring? You? No, not at all. Okay, you can open your eyes now, Granny Peters. Surprise!
Oh, thanks so much, kids. I really can't tell you how much this all means to... I hope they don't snore.